Excuse me,
Yes?
may I ask you some questions?
Sure, go ahead.
What time do you usually get up?
I usually get up at 5 o'clock in the morning.
So you usually get up at 5 o'clock in the morning, don't you?
That's right.
And then, what do you usually do then?
And then I usually do my homework.
What time do you usually do your homework?
I usually do my homework at 5:30.
So you usually do your homework at 5:30, don't you?
That's right.
And then, what do you usually do then?
And then I usually go to school.
What time do you usually go to school?
I usually go to school at 7 o'clock.
So you usually go to school at 7 o'clock, don't you?
That's right.
And then, what do you usually do then?
And then I usually come back home.
What time do you usually come back home?
I usually come back home at 11 o'clock.
So you usually come back home at 11 o'clock, don't you?
That's right.
And then, what do you usually do then?
And then I usually have lunch.
What time do you usually have lunch?
I usually have lunch at 11:30.
So you usually have lunch at 11:30, don't you?
That's right.
And then, what do you usually do then?
And then I usually have a nap.
What time do you usually have a nap?
I usually have a nap at 12 o'clock.
So you usually have a nap at 12 o'clock, don't you?
That's right.
And then, what do you usually do then?
And then I usually practice my English.
What time do you usually practice your English?
I usually practice my English at 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
So you usually practice your English at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, don't you?
That's right.
And then, what do you usually do then?
And then I usually take a bath.
What time do you usually take a bath?
I usually take a bath at 5:30.
So you usually take a bath at 5:30, don't you?
That's right.
And then, what do you usually do then?
And then I usually have dinner.
What time do you usually have dinner?
I usually have dinner at 6 o'clock in the evening.
What time do you usually have dinner at 6 o'clock in the evening, don't you?
That's right.
And then, what do you usually do then?
And then I usually chat with my friends.
What time do you usually chat with your friends?
I usually chat with my friends at 10 o'clock.
So you usually chat with your friends at 10 o'clock, don't you?
That's right.
And then, what do you usually do then?
And then I usually surf the internet.
What time do you usually surf the internet?
I usually surf the internet at 10:30.
So you usually surf the internet at 10:30, don't you?
That's right.
And then, what do you usually do then?
And then I usually go to bed.
What time do you usually go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 12 o'clock.
So you usually go to bed at 12 o'clock, don't you?
That's right.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. How about you? May I ask you some questions?
Sure, go ahead.
What time do you usually get up in the morning?
I usually get up at 5 o'clock in the morning.
So you usually get up at 5 o'clock in the morning, don't you?
That's right.
And then, what do you usually do then?
And then, I usually do my homework.
What time do you usually do your homework?
I usually do my homework at 5:30.
So you usually do your homework at 5:30, don't you?
That's right.
And then, what do you usually do then?
And then, I usually go to school.
What time do you usually go to school?
I usually go to school at 7 o'clock.
So you usually go to school at 7 o'clock, don't you?
That's right.
And then, what do you usually do then?
And then, I usually come back home.
What time do you usually come back home?
I usually come back home at 11 o'clock.
So you usually come back home at 11 o'clock, don't you?
That's right.
And then, what do you usually do then?
And then, I usually have lunch.
What time do you usually have lunch?
I usually have lunch at 12 o'clock.
So you usually have lunch at 12 o'clock, don't you?
That's right.
And then, what do you usually do then?
And then, I usually take a nap.
What time do you usually take a nap?
I usually take a nap at 12:30.
So you usually have a nap at 12:30, don't you?
That's right.
And then, what do you usually do then?
And then, I usually watch films.
What time do you usually watch films?
I usually watch films at 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
So you usually watch films at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, don't you?
That's right.
And then, what do you usually do then?
And then, I usually have dinner.
What time do you usually have dinner?
I usually have dinner at 6 o'clock in the evening.
So you usually have dinner at 6 o'clock in the evening, don't you?
That's right.
And then, what do you usually do then?
And then, I usually have a bath.
What time do you usually have a bath?
I usually have a bath at 7 o'clock.
So you usually have a bath at 7 o'clock, don't you?
That's right.
And then, what do you usually do then?
And then, I usually surf the internet.
What time do you usually surf the internet?
I usually surf the internet at 10 o'clock.
So you usually surf the internet at 10 o'clock, don't you?
That's right.
And then, what do you usually do then?
And then I usually go to bed.
What time do you usually go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 10 o'clock.
So you usually go to bed at 10 o'clock, don't you?
That's right.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay, see you later.
See you later.
Ta-ta.
Ta-ta.